Alright class, today my presentation is about school levies and all the great things they do to help out our students. First, levies are for learning and provide important local funding to support schools like mine. Every 3 years, voters consider a replacement levy that provides nearly 14% of school funding for Spokane public schools. Levy dollars make class sizes smaller, so I can have more time and attention from my teacher. And they pay for essential staff positions and programs that aren't fully covered by state funding. Yes, a question?
So, how does the levy work?
Good question. Washington State funds basic education. Local dollars then fill the gap between what the state funds and what our programs actually cost to provide students with a well-rounded education. For example, the state funds only 5 nurses. Levy dollars fund the 36 additional nurses needed to serve all 31,000 students in our school district. State funding helps keep class sizes small, just for kindergarten through 3rd grade. Levy dollars keep class sizes reasonable for all the other grades. State funding covers most teachers, but levy dollars pay for some of my favorite subjects, like art, music, and technology. Levy dollars also fund other things, like athletics, drama, debate, band, choir, school clubs, AP classes, librarians, and more.
So how do we pay for the levy?
Well, levies are part of property taxes. The upcoming levy is a replacement levy and would replace the current expiring levy for the next 3 years. So it's not an additional tax. The estimated levy rate will be $2.40 in 2022, $2.45 in 2023, and $2.50 in 2024. With the new levy, the total local education tax rate will be lower than it was in 2018 and years prior. The new levy rate allows the school district to restore some programs that had to be cut when the state changed its funding model in 2018.
What happens to levy dollars during a pandemic?
Good question. Levy-funded nurses have led the COVID-19 planning and contact tracing efforts 7 days a week, helping to prevent the spread of the virus. And technology support staff funded by the levy have been critical in keeping families online with laptops and distance learning software. They've answered over 4,000 support requests in 2020. I think my mom made most of those calls. Counselors and intervention staff have helped students struggling with distance learning, making over 2,400 individual student connections this year. Curriculum coordinators have redesigned classes to be online and are supporting teachers who are back in classrooms, so my classmates and I stay on track with our schoolwork.
That's great. Thank you for the helpful presentation.
You're welcome. Election Day is February 9th. Please remember to vote. Class dismissed.